In addition to the Samsung Galaxy S10 models and the foldable Galaxy Fold, Samsung will introduce the Galaxy Note 10 this year. The battery should be large and can charge much faster than other Samsung models. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Let's have a look. In addition, a Pro version is the conversations which seems to trump the procedure in terms of the display size again. Watch this video till the end so you get the new news and rumors about the Galaxy Note 10. Samsung has already introduced new smartphones model with the Galaxy S10 series and the Galaxy Fold, which will be launched in 2019. But the idea of the Galaxy Note 10, which currently bears the code name Da Vinci, can still wait. The rumor mill for Note 10 seats, even if specific details are barely available so far. In addition to some very hot topics regarding the hardware used, more on this in the text. The XG developers in the source code of the Galaxy S10 devices have found evidence of a new device with the codename Divance 5G, since it is already known that hides behind the name of the Italian polymath the codename for the Note 10. The addition 5G ultimately allowed only the assumptions that the Samsung should also work on 5G capable versions of the new tablets. The US network operator Verizon recently officially confirmed this. The Note and Galaxy appearing this year will both have 5G, said Verizon CEO Hans Vestberg. Recently, a new picture has appearing show a Samsung battery with the model number EBPN975ABU. It should be the battery that is to be installed in the large versions of the Note 10. The smartphone is supposed to come with the model number SMN975 on the market. The corresponding number of the battery would fit here. The battery itself have our 4500 mAh and thus prove a full 500 mAh more than the model contained in the Note 9. The Galaxy S10 5G also has a 4500 mAh battery. The fact that Samsung is equaling at the 10 marks quite plausible. The Note 10 is likely to get the processor either to build in the S10 Plus Xeon 9820 on Snapdragon 855 processor, but Samsung and Qualcomm managed to give the Note 10 the next generation of SoCs, also 1TB of memory and 12GB of RAM under the hood are not unrealistic. The enhanced One UI, the Android-based user interface of the Galaxy devices, should also be integrated in the Note 10. In addition, Samsung will probably construct a fingerprint scanner integrated into the display. In the S10, this works so well that you can unlock the phone even with wet or creamy fingers. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh news regarding upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.